Hey Stockhouse, it's Bruce Campbell, and this is this week's Market in Motion, partnership between myself and Stockhouse. So what are we watching this week? We're watching all kinds of different things. One of the things that we're particularly paying attention to is our indicators. So if you remember, we talked about our indicators last week and the fact that they were starting to improve. We had seen the short-term indicators deteriorate a little bit, but now we're seeing green lights across the board. This, of course, has happened as we've seen the markets improve. What else do we have our eye on this week? Well, we continue to watch Bitcoin. I mean, it's had a pretty significant sell-off. It's dropped, close to 30% now off of its high, but it looks like it could be forming a bit of a bottom here now. What we're seeing is that on a relative strength basis, it's actually really oversold. And now we're starting to see the potential that we're looking at higher lows for Bitcoin. So could that be an opportunity here? Certainly after such a big correction, will give people who haven't been in the Bitcoin a chance to get in there. What else have we got our eye on this week? Well, if you look at gold and silver continue to be very strong from a performance standpoint. And if you look at our ranks, we continue to see them dominated in the ranks. So gold and silver stocks continue to really dominate the Canadian ranks. In the US, what are we seeing? Well, we continue to see technology. We're starting to see a re-acceleration again in semiconductors. And then at the same time, we're also continue to see quite a move in healthcare stocks. Energy is kind of middle of the pack right now. It continues to do relatively well, but certainly would help if we saw some price momentum from the underlying commodity. That's it for this week. Talk to you next week.